右脳派さんの英単語へようこそ。この動画ではイラストと語呂合わせの単語カードと同じ単語を文章や物語の中でも覚えられるよう紹介してます。最初は日本語訳よりも単語の持つイメージをふんわりつかむようにしてみてください。それでは始めましょう。今日は接頭辞である dis がつく英単語の紹介です。dis はご覧のような意味があります。イメージ暗記ではまず dis という文字をキャラクター化しました。お化けのディスちゃんです。今後も複数の動画で同じキャラクターで登場しますのでよろしくお願いします。
dissertation 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 dissertation
dissipate 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 dissipate
distraught 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 distraught
dismantle 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 dissuade 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 dissertation dissertation dissertation
dissipate 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 distraught distraught distraught
dismantle dismantle dismantle
dissuade 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 dissertation dissertation
dissipate dissipate
distraught distraught
dismantle dismantle dissuade dissuade
Today's vocabulary words: dismantle, dissipate, dissuade, dissertation, distraught. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a brilliant scientist named Dr. Darrell who had just invented a new device that could dissipate bad moods instantly. He was so proud of his creation that he decided to write a dissertation about it and submit it to the science fair. But the night before the science fair, as Dr. Darrell was putting the finishing touches on his project, he got a call from the fair's organizers. They informed him that due to budget cuts, they would have to dismantle his device and wouldn't be able to display it. Dr. Darrell was distraught. He had spent countless hours and money on his invention, only to have it dismantled before it could even be displayed. He knew he had to do something to dissuade the organizers from dismantling his device. So, Dr. Darrell came up with a brilliant plan. He decided to use his device on the organizers, hoping that it would put them in a good mood and persuade them to keep his invention on display. At the science fair, Dr. Darrell activated his device and aimed it at the organizers. Immediately, the organizers' sour moods were replaced with happy and silly ones. They laughed and danced around, thoroughly enjoying themselves. While the organizers were distracted, Dr. Darrell quickly set up his display, hoping that they wouldn't notice. And it worked. The organizers were so absorbed in their newfound happiness that they didn't even realize that Dr. Darrell's invention was still on display. In the end, Dr. Darrell won first place at the science fair and became a local hero. His invention was a huge success, and he even made some new friends in the process. And every time he used his device, he couldn't help but smile, knowing that he had found a way to dissuade anyone from dismantling his creation.